I never needed you to be strong. I never needed you for pointing out my wrongs. I never needed pain. I never needed strength. Our love for you was strong enough, you should have known. I never needed you for judgment. I never needed you to question what I spent. I never asked for help, I take care of myself. I don't know why you think you gotta hold on me. And it's a little late for conversations. There isn't anything that you can say. My eyes hurt, heads shiver. So look at me, listen to me, because I don't want to stay another minute. I don't want you say a single word. Hush, 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 hush. There is no other way. I get a final say, because I don't want to do this any longer. I don't want you. There's nothing left to say. Hush, 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 hush. I've already spoken. All of it's broken, baby. Hush, hush. Oh, oh. And it's a little late for conversations. There isn't anything that you can say. My eyes hurt and shiver. So look at me and listen to me, because